Paradise Academy also observed on this auspicious day, the 13th August 2019, the 128th Patriots Day, by offering floral tributes to show and pay homage to British Ranjit Singh, Thangal General Pauna Bradavasi, Prakapam Finga Kajau, Niranjan Subedar, Chirai Thangal, and many unknown soldiers who had laid down their lives gracefully for the supreme cause of their motherland, Manipur, during Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891.
Today, the 13th of August, is an important day for the people of Manipur. It is on this day that 128 years ago, in 1891, two brave sons of Manipur, Jubraj Tikenderjit Singh and Thangal General, laid down their lives for the cause of their motherland. They were hanged to death before the general public at Faidabung, presently called Birtikenderjit Park, or the Sahid Minar at Imphal, for killing British officers and also waging war against the British. Therefore, the state of Manipur had been observing this day, August 13, as Patriots Day, every year since then. So every people of Manipur observe Patriots Day to remember those heroes of Manipur who fought bravely with the British soldiers.
During the reign of Gambhir Singh and his party came to catch wild elephant from Sambukum cycle, Gambhir Singh Maharaja asked the Khalifa of Makin Thangal to arrange for a guide for his men.
Brief history of Thangal General. Thangal General was born in 1906 at Tangal village in Senapati, Manipur. The real name of Thangal General was Lungthobu Thangal from Making, Thangal Kul, now Senapati district of Manipur. He is a Thangal tribe, Naga. He served in the palace under Manipuri King Chandragiri and got up to the rank of general according to his capabilities and courage. He was better known as Thangal General or Thangal Major.
Pansi 여울어퍼 와르보이 콤랑라문 시금노이는기 이누시사비 케이마 왁진기 운기 사이나 불탕 바라바자